What's your name?
Mango.
Mango.
So you get your nail somewhere else, and now you want the polish chain, right?
I didn't have time to get it polished. She was taking too long, and I had somewhere to go.
Okay.
So I told her I didn't get it polished. But I work right here at Crawford. Don't file them too low.
Okay, so don't file, just polish over.
You can file, but don't file too low. These are my nails. So.
Okay, okay. Đủ cháu em ăn nữa sao? You want me to square them?
Yeah, just a little bit. That's enough.
Okay.
They're already square for the most part.
Oh, okay, got you. So no file more, okay?
Yeah, no more.
Okay.
Thank you.
Để ăn nữa sao? Toàn gặp có hỗ trợ đạn, You want me to make them straight?
No.
Just like that?
Yep.
You sure? Okay.
Yep.
Oh, okay, got you. So just file a little bit and polish, right?
Yeah.
Got you. Cái này làm tay ở đấu, tới độ nước sớm này. Nhìn cái sệt ngoại cái đấu. Nè, hở nè. Nó cái chiều nữa. Giờ nào đắp buộc như vậy ta. So I just bump and polish for you, okay?
Oh, whatever. I mean, you need to drill it. I don't care about that. I'm just worried about the length.
Got you. I file a little bit,
she didn't
okay?
do the best job, but I ain't have time to just keep sitting there.
Her work amazing. I like it.
No, it ain't. Don't be lying.
So you already know they're not amazing.
Yeah, I'm a cosmetologist instructor, so I know a little bit. But ain't any sense to just keep sitting there.
Do you give her a hard time?
No, well, I told her what the truth was. But I ain't giving her a hard time. I still gave her a tip, too.
Oh.
I told her they were crooked.
They are.
I know it.
I tried to fix it, but you won't let me.
Because it's making my nails thinner, well, narrower and narrower, and that's not what I want.
Okay. So I just try to polish for you, okay?
She said, well, I do. I said, no, it ain't my nail that's crooked. It's the acrylic that you put on my nail that's crooked.
How old is she?
She's older.
Oh.
I offended her, apparently.
So the polish gel on the hand it. Đồ nước sơn gel này tái bao nhiêu ta? Đồ nước sơn gel là 20 hay 25? $25.
Yeah, I went up. It used to be 20. Now it's 25.
20 if you get the service here, and
I am getting the service here. I'm getting it.
No, you're not.
I really am.
You get it nail from somewhere.
That ain't got nothing to do with the polish.
The thing is, when you
it don't matter.
Okay, I just let you know.
Okay.
Because the price is for the shop, not for me. I can't not.
That's okay. That's fine.
Because next, if I give you a good deal.
It ain't a good deal. If you charge 20, you charge 20.
No, if I give you 20 and the next time, the next nail tech do for you, they charge you 25 and you say, oh, that guy charged me 20. No, so you get me in trouble. You know what I'm saying?
What I'm saying is, whether it's you or anybody, if y'all charge 20 for gel polish, then it ought to be 20.
No, 25.
Okay, whatever.
Everything go up. You see the God go up.
This ain't no gas.
Apartment.
This ain't gas.
Apartment go up. Put your hand here. Apartment used to be 600 for one bedroom.
No apartment. This is gel polish.
But they affect everything. We have to pay rent. We have to live there. We have to pay everything up. That's right. The nail supply go up.
That's
Everything
right.
go up. You know what I'm saying?
That's fine.
Mm-hmm.
When I get my stuff unpacked, I go back to polishing them myself.
Mm-hmm.
I have all this stuff in storage.
Because I used to spend $700 for my apartment. Now I have to spend like $1,500. Crazy, man. Everything go up like crazy. There's nothing you can change, you know.
I hear you talking. So it ought to be 25 for everybody, not just some people.
No, for everybody.
You just told me if I got the service here, it would be 20.
No, like if I give you 20, and then the next time, when
But that's what I'm saying. If it's 25, it's 25. If it's 20, it's 20.
That's right. When you say like it used to be 20.
Okay, so hold on. Why you didn't put no base polish on before you put the gel polish on?
That's the secret. We put it in here, but
What's the secret?
there are two different ways to polish the gel. One, you put the base first. The base only apply when you do on the real nail.
No.
On the natural nail.
No.
But you know how the base work? You know why they put the base on? Why?
Because it helps adhesive and hold the top, the polish too.
So you know why I use the reel to reel your nail before I polish? That's the secret.
You took the shine off.
No. There are two different ways to apply the gel polish without chip off the polish.
Well,
First way, we put the base gel. And the second way, we make them...
So you telling me you're going to charge me more and give me less polish? Really?
Not less polish.
You didn't put no base on it. That is less polish. There's a one less color.
Because I've been doing nail for over 10 years.
But you hear what I'm saying, though. You charge me more and you polish.
No, I spend more time to file them.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
If it's cheaper, I'll be back. But it's fine.
You know, like I do a lot of gel polish, and for me, I make the nail rub like this, and then when I polish, the nail never chip off.
Okay.
So it's just like a different way to do it.
You got a different strategy, different technique.
You know, we over here we do a lot of crazy nail, right? So we like.
I see them every day.
So we like more like we know more than old school nail shop. You agree with that?
I'ma see. If it lasts, then yeah.
They absolutely 100% last.
I know your name, Mango. So, so if it don't, we'll see. But I trust you. We'll see.
Yeah. So nowadays there are a lot of different ways to do nail. You know, not like the same way like back in the day. So nowadays they come up with a lot of new style and new way to do nail. So sometimes it might look different, but it's easier and you know. Don't worry if they chip off. Come here and talk to the manager. That guy Mango messed up my nail, but they're not gonna mess up. Don't worry. I only guarantee you the polish on top of the nail, not the nail, okay? Because
no, you didn't do the nail. I didn't expect you to guarantee the nail.
Okay, I just guarantee you the polish.
Yes.
So whenever polish chip off, I fix for you anytime. Okay. Even okay. So you work at the credit card company in the back or insurance?
Insurance.
Oh, the insurance company. So you not be here for long?
No, I've been here. I've been doing this since 2021 here.
Yeah, but
go and come, but
yeah, come back and forth, right?
I've been here this time since March. So I've been here 6 months.
But that company, like they always like hiring a part time. And every time the client of over there come here, they always look stressful.
Cause we work long hours. I'm tired.
Oh, okay. Everybody look like tired and stressed.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Have you been here before?
Yeah, you give me a hard time every time I come.
Every time?
Well, not when I get my
How many
finger.
times you come here?
I done been here about 6 times.
Oh, make sure you put the thumb on. Don't forget the thumb.
Yeah, when it's dealing with my toes, I don't have a hard time. Just do my nails every time I come.
Mm-hmm.
Get a refill.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you need to soak off. I'm like, I ain't finna soak off. Just gonna. No, we can't do it unless you soak off and start over. Okay, and then I walk right on back out the door.
Oh. So you give them a hard time or they give you a hard
I
time?
just told you how I go. I don't give them a hard time. I walk out the door.
Oh, okay, so they give you a hard time.
Yeah.
Okay, not you.
I just asked for a refill.
Mm-hmm.
No, you have to soak off.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not soaking off my nails every time I need a refill. That's crazy. So I just be like, oh, okay, you walk right out the door. One day I came in, I had one nail that had broke. And I needed it repaired. That time I had to soak off the whole set. So I walked back out the door. Then I come here, you give me a hard time charging me. Charge me $5.
Man, I tried the best. You know, I have a nice like this before. This is the first time I be nice to the client like this.
Thank you.
I have two sides. One is dark side and the bright side.
Well, I must have been met you on the dark side all the other time.
Now you see my bright side.
Yeah.
My angel side.
It's a lot of dark sides. Every time I come in here, it's a dark side of me.
Someday you see my real side, it'll be a different. But today it's my bright side, you know.
We're glad.
Everybody have a bad day sometimes, you know. Today is not that day. Not today. All the way in.
That's how you watch TV looking up like that. That's good for your neck, man. But I always look at it like this with you. You have to try it.
You have to try it.
Yeah, I'm all the way in.
Oh, okay. I just making sure.
I don't think they ready yet.
Okay.
You didn't never let them see it. You put it in, take it out. Put it in, take it out.
It actually take longer. You know, if I do like 5 fingers at the time, it's faster. But why I do that? That's the secret.
Your own strategy.
So if I do 5 fingers at the time and I curl in 60 seconds, it would be a lot faster. You know what I'm saying? Like it's way faster, but I just do like 1 or 2 at a time to be better. It take longer. It take more time. Again.
I mean, I don't want it to. I ain't got time.
When you curl the hand for so long, you know the UV. This is UV light, right? Sometimes they turn your nail yellow. Look like you go out of the sun for so long.
I don't know.
Okay, got you.
Now you don't even know what I was going to say. See, you give me a hard time. This is my lunch break. I can't come back over here every.
Okay, you want me to curl one more time?
Yes.
I give you 120 seconds, okay? And this one 90 seconds.
And then I'm going to come leave out.
Okay, got you. I'll be right back, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Nhiều khi rồi đã yêu.
Now this your bright side for real. You singing and everything.
Sắp chạm đến giới hạn cực độ của anh rồi đó. Tomorrow là busy đó nghe, nó còn néo đẹp đúng không? Đây là cuộc sống Mỹ của Việt kiều Mỹ ấy các bạn. Biết ăn ở sao mà em toàn là hút cái thứ ấm pin này không? Ui, sao? Đâu kì polish dưới kia, dưới trên ghế á. You good now? You might get cancer from put your hand in the light so long. That's what they say, not
You
me.
can't listen to what they say. They don't know what they talk about.
They say if you put your hand under the light for so long, you got skin cancer.
If I get it in a minute, then something wrong with your UV thing.
That's how people say. You want some oil?
Yes, I do.
Like that. You want a little bit, a lot?
A lot of bit.
A lot of it. What that mean?
Same opposite of a little bit.
Okay, wash your hand.
No.
Or you can leave them on.
I leave it on.
You leave them on. Okay. Time to pay.
Okay.